Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will cover the process of signing up for a trial account and adding a demo inspection. Let's get started. First, we'll start by visiting the Scopito website at scopito.com. Once you're on the home page, click on Try Our Software. This will take you to the Create an Account form or sign up page. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information to create your trial account. Start by adding your full name, your company name, your phone number, and your email address. Be sure to read the terms of use by clicking here, and then click to confirm that you have read them and agree. You can opt in or out on receiving product emails, but we recommend that you check this option to keep up with feature releases and other important notices. You will then click the green Sign Up button, which will take you to the main screen where you will begin creating your inspections. To add a demo, click on Add Demo and select your preferred inspection type from the demo library. For this demo, let's choose Powerline. Now that you have added the demo inspection to your Scopito account, you can begin clicking through the images and exploring the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. Congratulations! You've successfully created your trial account and added a demo inspection. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. Check the playlist section for more tutorials on how to utilize Scopito's powerful inspection management tools, and don't hesitate to reach out to our support team if you have any questions. Thanks for taking time to watch this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.